Hey, can you pull farther forward up to that farther clearing?
Yep.
This is keeping us safer the farther forward we go. A little bit more in this bigger clearing.
Is that it right there, man? Which way is it moving?
You need to go farther forward.
Might be in that way right there. See it?
Yep, I think it might be. Okay. No, stop right up. I'm trying to get a view and still stay safe. Right here. Stop. Stop. Oh, we're about ready to get blasted.
What?
Rain.
What is this? What's all that?
Rain. We're gonna
Look
get
at the inflow. Shit, break it?
No.
I think we should head out, dude.
Get up.
We got all that, don't know what's there. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Oh god, here it is.
We're alright. We're gonna get a lot of wind.
Yep.
We're gonna get a lot of wind.
Keep recording. Holy shit. I gotta slow down so I don't get blown off there. We're not driving into it.
Well, there's a lot of wind on it, so. Look at that.
That flash is still on now. This is intense shit!
Man, we called that one. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, look at that. We got out of it. We're out of it. Alright. I think it just went right behind us, dude.
Well,
Let's go up about 10 miles, make sure we're out of it, and then we'll track back.
alright.
See anything that side? See all that's above us? Dude, that bitch just went behind us. You know it?
That's pretty cool.
That wind flowed into that thing quicker than anything. Dude, it was just behind us, bro. Yeah.